Hey, what's up, everybody? How y'all doing today? This is your guy Joe Martin checking in. I hope everybody having a great day. Listen, I'm excited today. I'm so excited today. I finally caught up with a whole bunch of work that I had to do. Assign some things to my team, so I got them over there working. They doing some things, so it gave me a little bit of time today to be able to jump in here, kick it with you guys for a minute, show you just a few things within my software, within my system. So if y'all don't know by now, you should know that I own a software company. I'm a software engineer. I help businesses grow and scale. I help businesses with automation, and I also help businesses leverage AI and systems. So at the end of the day, everything that we do is geared towards helping somebody. So regardless if somebody came to me for personal credit, business credit, or business operations, I got 3 systems that I use to help people get from one place to another. So I tell people all the time, if you tell me what you want, I can tell you how to get it. So with that being said, today I just want to invite you guys on a quick little video today, and we're going to be talking about all automation, everything automation. We're going to be talking about the power of AI. And if y'all see me looking over here, I'm looking at my screen because I am fin to jump to this screen in a minute so I can show you guys exactly what we're doing. So with that being said, let's go ahead and jump over to the next screen so I can show you guys what's going on and what we're working on. So let's pull it up. All right, so now what you guys are looking at right here, this is Simplicity Genius. So if y'all see me out here posting certain things about Simplicity Genius, but you never had the opportunity to come actually see the mechanism and the actual system behind what I post, here's your opportunity to see it. We got so many features. So what I did was we took every tool that a business need to scale and grow, or every tool that a business need for operations, and we put them in one place. We got a phenomenal development team. We got a phenomenal tech team. So at the end of the day, whatever you need for your business, Simplicity Genius has it built inside already. So we're not even going to talk about websites today. I might touch on websites just a little bit, but we're not going to 100% talk about websites. Today, I strictly want to talk about automation. I want to talk about things that you could do when let your automation, let your AI handle certain things so that you could be focusing on other things within your business. See, this is why I always tell people we want to work on our business and not in our business. So if you don't have a full staff, or if you don't have a full team, you can leverage the power of artificial intelligence to help you get things done. So with that being said, let's jump over here on this screen and I'm gonna show y'all what we're doing. So right here, this is where I build a workflow. So if you don't know what a workflow is basically, what do I want to happen after this client does this particular thing? So right here, so prime example, we got FB lead form. So if y'all don't know, the cheapest lead that you could pay for on Facebook is a video view. So what I teach my people is we do like $2 a day on videos. So if you do, so I tell people, like, say for instance, if you have 5 powerful content videos that showcasing something that you do, right? You could take those 5 videos and put $2 a day on each video. So that's what, $10 a day. So just try to fit it in your budget just on video views. And what that's going to do is brand awareness. So by you shooting a video and you putting those videos out there on video views, and you spending $2 a day for brand awareness, and you got your demographics, you got everything that you targeting, like your audience. Because I tell people all the time, focus on your audience. You could do a broad, but like if you're a landscaping company, for example, you want to target a certain area because you don't want to have your crew all the way on this side of town, and then you have another job, say 30 miles away, and you're a project manager. You don't want to be commuting through traffic back and forth because you're going to spend most of your time in traffic. So if you're a landscaping company or a construction company and you want to work in one area, target only that area. So when you're doing your video views, make sure you put that area, and you probably might put a 5-mile radius of that area so that everything and that your ads are pointing to are in the area where you want to be at. Okay, so you got video views, and then another cheap, like Facebook lead forms. People used to talk down on Facebook lead forms, right? But with the power of Simplicity Genius, you could build a lead form integrated directly with Simplicity Genius. And every time a person hits that lead form on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, wherever they may hit that lead form at, right? When a person hit that form, it's going to pull that person into your Simplicity Genius system. And once it pulls it in that system, you could put them on a workflow, which is ultimately a campaign, right? So you can nurture that person up to the point for you to be able to get that person on a schedule so that you could speak to that person. Okay, so I'm gonna just jump inside this Facebook lead form campaign or workflow so that you can see exactly what's going on with it. And then I'll probably go back to the workshop message campaign down here at the bottom so I can show you a little bit about that. But let me just show you what happens when a person comes and fill out a lead form on my Facebook page. I'm not going to dive into the Facebook ads too much. I'm not going to dive into that because I could pull up the Facebook ads, but I strictly only want to talk about the automation and workflows and things like that. So with that being said, here we go. Now let's go to Facebook lead forms. So we're going to click on Facebook lead forms. Now, when we get inside here, all right, let's pull it up. All right, now once we get inside Facebook lead forms, the first thing that I want to do is I want to figure out what's going to trigger this workflow to start. Okay, so we have to figure out what's going to trigger this workflow to start. Now, we got Facebook lead form. So that's basically means when a person fill out that form that we got on our Facebook ads, it's going to trigger this campaign to start. So the first thing that we're going to do once we trigger that campaign, the first thing is going to update an opportunity. When you schedule a call with me, I'll show you about pipelines and opportunities, because this is where you pretty much see what's happening and what's going on within your operation. It's like standing 30,000 feet on top of your business and you're looking down and you see everything that's going on, every moving piece. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to create an opportunity. That means this person filled out this form, so let's put them on our pipeline so that we know that we need to follow up with this person. Okay, now the next thing is we're going to add a tag. So we definitely want to make sure we add some type of Facebook lead form tag to it so that we know that this person came from this place, because you might have people coming from such and such, or you might have people coming from here, but you need to know exactly where this person coming from so that you know how to have that conversation with that person. Now, the next thing that I have my system doing is I have it sending me an internal notification. So it sends it to all of my users. So everybody that's within my staff, my sales team, my assistant, my management, everybody, you know, I got an internal notification going to everybody so that not only am I alert, but the people that's working directly inside my infrastructure, they are alert that somebody just came into the system. So there's a thing called speed to lead, right? And what speed to lead is, a person might fill out a form to get in contact with you. And if you're not right on them, then that person gonna go find somewhere else to go. But if a person fill out a form or fill out some type of request to get in contact with you and you write up on them real quick, guess what? That person 9 times out of 10 is going to schedule a call and they are going to book with you. So speed to lead, we want to make sure that we're in a position to be able to get to people as fast as possible. Now, sometimes you might be in the field, or you might be busy, or you might be on the call. And if you're on the call and you're not able to reach out to that person right there at that moment, then you know, you may have missed a potential sale. So what we use is automation. So from the moment that a person hit this form, you know, we have our automation system automatically going ahead and reaching out to that person about whatever it is that they reached out to us. So if I got it on a business credit form, a personal credit form, or a systems and operation form, whatever form that they filled out within my system, I'm going to reach out to them based on whatever it is that they're reaching out to me for. So first thing we want to do is we want to make sure we send that internal notification. So we want to send that out to our teams. Okay. Now, next thing I want to do is I want to put a note inside my system. You know, I want to put a note on that contact so I know, okay, this person came from here. So I add a note to that contact, because remember, when they fill out that form, they are coming inside your system so that you can start pretty much preparing on how you're going to approach this person if you don't already have an automation set up. But if you already got an automation set up, then you cool. Okay. Now, right here, We're going to put a note. Now I'm going to wait because they just filled out the form. So 9 times out of 10, if they just filled out the form, I'm going to wait 3 minutes because they are automatically going to some type of page that I'm going to send them to. So I don't want to distract them while they're looking at whatever it is that they're looking at. So I'm going to wait 3 minutes. Now, after I wait 3 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and send them a text message. Okay. And my text message is going to say, hey, what's up? Such and such name, because you're going to have a name. Joe Martin here. It's a pleasure to speak with you. I hope that you had an opportunity to check out the free workshop. If not, it's okay. Here's a link to get back to it. So now, if that person got distracted, right? So if they filled out that form and they got distracted for whatever reason, they still got a text message from me inside their phone. So like say if somebody in the midst of they're on their phone and they're in the process of checking out the workshop, checking out whatever it is that you got, and somebody call them right in the midst of that, they're going to jump on that phone call. They might be on that phone call 30 minutes, 45 minutes, an hour. And before you know it, when they get off that phone, they didn't go back to that page to see what you was talking about. So therefore, I send a direct message out to them and say, hey, in case you missed the workshop, here's a link to get back to it. So when they click on that link, it takes them right back to the workshop. Okay. Now I send that text message out, and I also send the email out because some people check their emails faster than they check their text messages. And sometimes people check their text messages faster than they check their emails. So I want to make sure that I send both of them out to that person. Okay. So I send a text message, I send an email, and then I wait 8 minutes. Okay. So I'm gonna wait 8 minutes because by this time, this person has already, they either looking at the workshop or they got distracted and missed everything that I sent them before. So I'm gonna wait 8 minutes. And then after 8 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and reach out to them again. And I'm gonna say, hey, what's up? Contact first name. I hope that you enjoyed the workshop. I dropped a lot of jewels in there for you. Make sure you schedule a call with me. What type of business do you currently have? And what's your main goal that you're looking to accomplish? So at this moment, what I want this person to do is I want this person to tell me exactly what they need from me. Okay. So if they could tell me exactly what they need from me at this moment, I pretty much know how to gauge my conversation when I get on a phone call with them. Okay. So we send that out 8 minutes after they fill out the form. Now, after that, I'm going to wait 4 hours. Okay. So now we're waiting 4 hours. And then after 4 hours of waiting, okay, we're going to wait. Well, hold on. Let me get back to it. After waiting 4 hours, okay, I'm going to reach back out to them and I say, hey, what's up? Joe Martin here. I know that you requested to check out the free workshop. I hope you enjoyed it because by this time they should have looked at it, if they were serious about doing business. I wanted to personally follow up with you to see if there's anything particular that I could help you with. We could schedule a free call so that I can share with you some things that I've done to help my success in the last 18 years. So what I'm doing is I'm pretty much building rapport and I'm nurturing this person all the way up into the point where I could get them on my schedule. I could get them on the call so that we could talk, so I want to make sure I reach out to them. And when I reach out to them at this moment, right, I'm reaching out to them again, text message and email, because like I said, some people check their email faster than they check their text message, and some people check their text message faster than they check their email. So I want to make sure I approach them 2 times. Okay. Now, after that, I'm going to wait 24 hours, right? Because I already reached out to this person. I sent them on that first day, I sent them enough messages to let them know that, hey, man, I'm right here and I'm interested in helping you do whatever it is that you coming to me for, right? So now I'm going to wait a day and then I'm going to send them an email, and then on this email, I'm going to say, hey, you requested, and I'm going to talk to them a little bit more. Then I'm going to wait 2 days. So I'm going to wait another day. So basically at this moment, I got 7 emails built out so I could follow up with them for 7 days straight. If I follow up with a person 7 days straight, right, and this person doesn't make a move or they don't initiate some type of call, then at that moment, they probably not serious about doing business. So one thing that we value is our time. Our time is precious. We got our time is our greatest asset that we have, you know, so we want to make sure that our time is respected, and we want to make sure our time has great, you know, I just want to make sure that people are serious before I be sitting there getting on the phone with somebody that's not serious about moving forward or not serious about doing something, right? So as you can see, I'm doing 1,000 other things, so I don't have to really worry about handling this part of the business because I have built out my automation to do a lot of things for me. So now, you know, I can focus on other areas in the business. Okay. So now let me just show y'all, and I wasn't going to jump into websites, but I am going to show you this, right? And this is all built inside Simplicity Genius. So you're able to do all of this stuff inside Simplicity Genius. Like I said, we put every tool that a business needs to scale and grow all in one place, right? So now let me just show you the replay. So once a person hit that form or they hit that link, wherever they at, and it's going to take them over to the page where they can see exactly what it is that we're offering, right? Let me just show y'all the page that we direct them to. So I direct them to this page. And when I direct them to this page, here you go. It says, thank you for stopping by, watching to the end to access the free workshop. So now, this person, I'm gonna wait a minute because I want them to watch this video, right? I want them to watch this video. So I'm gonna wait a little while and make sure that they watch this video. Okay. Now the video gonna be playing, but they can't hear it. So now what we did was I put in a code where when they click this play button, it'll start the video all over, right? So we're gonna go ahead and hit this video. Let's see. Hey, what's up, you guys? Joe Martin here. First and foremost, I want to time to check out this workshop. Listen, it's 113 minutes of nothing but pure great information. Now at this moment, okay, at this moment they watching this video, and we almost done with our little minutes, right? And after our minutes, after this second pull up, then I'm gonna go ahead and put all the buttons in. But I don't put all the buttons in now because I need this person to watch, at least watch this before we give them anything else. Now, once they watch this video, it's a minute, and then now all the buttons pop up, so they could go ahead and schedule a free strategy call, and then right here they can go ahead and check out the free workshop, right? Schedule the free call. I want to make sure I show them the value. I want to give them value. Schedule the call. See, because my main objective when a person comes to me is to get them on a phone call so that we can see exactly what it is that I can help them with. I can start kind of diagnosing their problem. I can see a little bit more about what they need help with. And once I find out what they need help with, I show them a solution. I show them a solution to their problem, show them how to fix their problem. And then once we fix their problem, now they happy, I'm happy, I got a new client, they got a new opportunity to gain more business, you know, and it's a beautiful thing, you know. So that's all I really wanted to talk about today. It's just a system of automation. So with that being said, man, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And if you need help with anything, make sure you reach out to me and I'm gonna show you this system. I don't care what it is. Like I say, whether it's business credit, personal credit, or if you need business operations, anything like automation, if you need me to help you with lead generation, if you need me to help website design, funnel design, sales copy, anything that you need help with, I have tools and I have resources to help you get there. So with that being said, this is your guy, Joe Martin, 750 credit score on Instagram. Your favorite big brother, the Simplicity Genius. And I'll talk to y'all later, man. Y'all be good. Peace. Love y'all. We out.